Welcome to my channel, the Knowledge Park Institute. Any confusion, one solution for classes 5 to 12 CBSE and IC Board all subject.
In India, the parliament consists of two houses, the Rajya Sabha, Council of States, and the Lok Sabha, House of the People. 1. Rajya Sabha, Council of States. It represents the states and union territories of India. Members of the Rajya Sabha are not directly elected by the people, but are elected by the elected members of the State Legislative Assemblies. It has a maximum strength of 250 members, out of which 12 members are nominated by the President for their contributions to art, literature, science, and social services. Members of the Rajya Sabha serve a term of 6 years, with 1/3 of the members retiring every 2 years. 2. Lok Sabha, House of the People. It represents the people of India. Members of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the eligible voters of India through general elections. It has a maximum strength of 545 members, consisting of up to 530 members representing the states, up to 20 members representing the union territories, and 2 members nominated by the President to represent the Anglo-Indian community if it is felt that they are not adequately represented. Members of the Lok Sabha serve a term of 5 years, unless dissolved earlier. The total number of members in both houses of Parliament is subject to change due to constitutional amendments and changes in the number of states and union territories. Additionally, the Parliament also includes the President of India, who is considered an integral part of the legislative process but does not participate in its day-to-day functioning.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.